Hey guys, I'm Alan Branch with Carolina Fitness, and the champ, Derek Sellis, is in the house. And today, we're going head to head. We're competing the barbell deadlift against the band. Okay, Derek, so obviously, what are you deadlifting now?
Around 550.
Okay, yeah, this is my warm-up, man. So what I want you to do is show me some proper form with a basic deadlift, and then you're more experienced with a deadlift than I am, but I'm gonna do this because it's not fair to have you do it my way if I'm not gonna do it your way, right?
Fair.
So position me for this deadlift, go through the form with me.
The first thing I'd have you do is step up to the bar. You kind of wanna, I gauge where the end of my laces are is where the bar will be. So it's not exactly touching your bar, your shin, sorry.
Okay.
I would make sure you keep your shoulders up and your chest. You're gonna basically sit back like you're almost sitting down, looking good. And then I would engage your lats, and when you start to pull, just think of squeezing your glutes so your hips come forward, and that way the bar's gonna move straight up. All right, looking good.
Okay, so one thing that you'll notice throughout the range of the deadlift with the barbell, did I get your approval?
Yeah.
Not enough weight, but to get the point across.
I like
so
it.
It's 135 at the bottom. When I get to the top, it's 135.
It is.
So if we add a band to this, it's gonna be one weight at the bottom and then another weight at the top because the band's gonna expand. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna lay this band down, and we're starting with a pretty small band for a super strong guy like Derek. And you're gonna step on it, get in your deadlift position. Okay, so now go through your deadlift motion exactly the same, utilizing the band. Now, it doesn't feel like as much at the bottom.
No.
But when you get to the top,
I'm feeling a lot.
it's a lot stronger. So what this has done, guys, if you're less experienced than somebody like Derek, the band allows you to be at a lighter weight in the range where you're weaker. So you're a little weaker at the bottom, you're a lot stronger at the top. The band's variance increases as you stand up. So this string core band is working great for him to take him through that movement of doing the deadlift. Okay, now, when you got somebody like Derek, what you would do is combine the barbell with the bands, and we're gonna do that next. Okay, we're over at the string core elite half rack. We've got our barbell, we've got our bands. Now, Derek, if you just calculated that this might be 225 pounds, okay, then adding that to 135 is gonna get a little heavy really quick. And so that's 135, obviously not a heavy weight for you. You can warm that up with one finger. Let's see the difference in how it feels to add the tension of that string core band to your deadlift.
A little pull there. Yeah, it definitely added a little bit more resistance for sure.
Okay, so you feel the variance and a little pull, so you're gonna have to stabilize it. So you generally wouldn't be able to use as much weight as you normally would, but at the top range, you've got a stronger lift.
Definitely. You're adding about, like, from that it felt like about a 50 to 100 pounds on.
So who wins in the battle against the barbell and the band? You do, because you get to try them both out with any equipment that you purchase from Carolina Fitness. Guys, we look forward to seeing you next time. If you want to learn more about these string core products, see more videos, and check out what we do, go to carolinafitnessequipment.com.